Samantha, I'm gonna send you home if you keep asking dumb questions. Come on, Sammy, I know you're smarter than that. So if you see a bend like this, you can kind of
just give it a little rub tap.
Yeah, a little kiss. You can see this little dent right here. You know, don't worry too much about it because we can help fix some of the dents as we go. Let's just call that good enough. And then where's that little sander? You want to have your safety goggles on and, you know, gloves if you want.
I got a question. Which one's the outside? This one? Or this? Yeah, this one.
I don't even know why you're asking me that question. Samantha, I'm gonna send you home if you keep asking dumb questions. What looks like the outside to you? Here, let me ask Damien. Can you tell her what the...
Okay.
Ask Damien. Hey, Sammy. You can walk away with your bad attitude at home, but you can't do it here. What is the outside? How did I tell you that to find the outside?
You said this, but they both have it. That's why I was asking.
Show me. Show me where they have it.
I saw it over here, but I sort of...
Show me. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does this look like the downside? Or does this look like the downside? What looks like the upside to you?
This side because of the fire door.
Come on, Sammy. I know you're smarter than that. Wow, look at how beautiful these pieces are.
Where's the tapadera?
We feel more. Just take this outside and run it as long as you can over there. Tomorrow when the sun gets hot, it will be easier to do. Yeah, it's just a pain in the butt right now because the glass is like cheap as food.